Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy no-bake sweet treats. So let's get started.
Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe.
To make these crazy easy no-bake dessert hacks, you can use any type of bread. This is the bottom of a hamburger bun. This is just a regular slice of bread, and you can use hot dog rolls. So I'm going to start by spreading some butter, and I'm using my vegan butter. If you're not vegan, just use any butter that you have. Number one, I'm going to use some Nutella. I'm going to spread that on. I'm just going to remove that little extra. And look what I found at the grocery store. Coconut whipped cream. Great for vegans. Now I'm going to spray some of the whipped topping on my roll. I'm going to drizzle some maple syrup on top. If you're not vegan, you could put honey. And I didn't have any chocolate sprinkles, so I just took some coconut and some cocoa powder and I just mixed it together. And I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. So that is number one. For number two, I'm going to use some jam, and I just have some apple raspberry jam here. And I'll just spread some jam all on my bun. Whipped cream, some toasted coconut, and a bit more of the jam on top. And there you have number two. For number three, I'm going to spread on some peanut butter, whipped cream, and some molasses. I'm going to drizzle the molasses on top. And if you don't have molasses, you could again use maple syrup or any type of syrup that you have. But I'll tell you this, molasses and peanut butter are delicious together. And I'll just put on a few flavored almonds. And I see my little jam fell off. I hope you try these quick, no-bake sweet treats for the summer. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.